1. So 1 liter equals to 1 meter cube. So 9.24 kiloliters equals to 9.24 meter cube, right? This much. Or just replace liter with meter cube. Okay, so volume equals to what? Pi r square h. Okay, 9.24 equals to 22 by 7 into r square into 1.5, right? So here slight correction in density of water. And density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. It's almost 997, but round it off to 1000. So 1 kiloliter of water equals to 1 meter cube of water, right? These are the two equations you have to remember. Okay, so volume equals to pi r square h. So this becomes 9.24 meter cube. So 9.24 equals to 22 by 7 into r square into 1.5. So solve this. R square equals to everything goes on the other side. 9.24 into 7 upon 22 into 1.5. That is 1.96. How? Try to solve this. 15. Remove the zeros and try to solve this. You'll get it 1.96. Follow Vedic maths. That's easier. So r square equals to 1.96. Therefore r equals to square root of 1.96. That is 1.4. 14 square is 196. So adjust the points. It is r equals to 1.4 meters. So radius of the cylinder is 1.4 meters. Try it yourself. These calculations are important. This is what you have to practice. Okay. Next, a hoop is resting vertically at a staircase as shown in the diagram. Now what is a hoop? This is the hoop. A circular, not circular. It's a cylindrical part actually. It's just a ring. No cylindrical, nothing. It's just a ring. Even I didn't know about it. So next, it's a hoop is resting on the staircase. Okay. Now what is given and what is asked? AB equals to 12 means this length equals to 12 and BC equals to 8 centimeter. Then the radius of the hoop is, we have to find the radius. Okay. These two lengths are given, AB and BC. Okay. What we'll do is we'll draw this figure. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.